Hi everybody, this is Nihal from Southwards IELTS. Today we would like to share one more success story with you guys. So here is Bhumika who got her desired band score at the very first attempt. So Bhumika, congratulations and thank you for joining Southwards IELTS for IELTS course. Bhumika, congratulations first of all, and thank you for joining Southwards IELTS for your IELTS course. I would like to introduce yourself so we can take this ahead.
So, hello everyone. I am Bhumika Gulati and I am from Delhi. I work as an IT professional for an MNC.
Great. So Bhumika, I want you to tell your story about IELTS, how it all started, and what is that you're looking out for.
I wanted to move abroad, which was the only reason that I appeared for IELTS exam. So I was searching for some online classes because I joined some offline class for I took 1 to 2 classes and they weren't impressive enough. So I chose the online mode and I was searching for that. And I was it was in my mind that I had to get a specific band on the very first attempt. So that is how my journey started, and I had this rule for me.
So you mean to say that you had taken an offline course before and your experience was not that great.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
So all right.
exactly.
So can you just tell us what was your experience all about with the offline course?
I didn't find them effective at all. So the problem was that what they used to do is they used to just provide me certain practice sheets and they used to evaluate them and just give me my final score. They never provided me any techniques, any strategies how exactly I need to clear that exam. Also after the course was over, they never gave me the online content which could to revise. So that is why. But in online classes, what the difference I found was that I had recordings available with me. I had practice material. I had certain tips and strategies which I could revise before appearing in my exam.
All right. So what differences did you find after joining Southwards IELTS? What was the difference from the other coaching institute that we have?
Number one would be the tips and the strategies because although everyone knows English, but solving the questions in a limited time frame, how exactly you can spot an answer in the reading passages, what exactly should be written in the exam, and what exactly you should speak, and what you shouldn't do to so that you don't lose the bands. That is what I really liked about the course. And obviously the type of interactive sessions I had and the feedback sessions they provided, everything was superb.
All right. So are you more comfortable now with online classes now since you're very hesitant before taking it?
Yes, I was pretty hesitant because I never studied in the corona time, so I was a classroom student. I always liked that we have an interactive session physically sitting with the teacher. So after joining the online session, I can say yes, online classes can also be interactive, all because of you guys, because I found the classes very interactive and I never felt boredom because when you're in an offline class, the teacher is there who can see that what exactly you're doing, but how the way you guys taught us, and I never felt boredom during the entire course.
Great, wonderful. Glad to know that. In fact, so now I know that you have less time, and thank you for giving your time. But just final question: do you have any suggestions for the people who are not very comfortable with the online classes? That you want to just talk about it.
See, if obviously online classes are seeked by people who don't have enough time to, travel to the offline centers. So I would suggest that please go through all the online content available about that particular coaching. Just read about it before joining, because I also got attracted towards your institution by looking at your Insta handle and the Google reviews that I read. And because when I was also searching for something that I can get my desired band in the specific in the first attempt itself. So when I saw that maximum candidates who joined your classes were able to get that band in the first attempt, so I got attracted. So I would suggest that please go through the online sources available for regarding that particular class, and before joining, just go through it. because obviously that is the promotion thing that attracts the candidates. So online classes are effective. It's just a myth that offline classes are more effective. I could spot the difference.
Great, wonderful. Also, I want you to, just speak about one more thing if you have time. Like, which module did you find the toughest one out of all of them?
Before joining the class, when I talked to you, I specifically mentioned that since I am a working professional, I have broke the connect with writing,
Yeah.
particularly writing on the topics. So I found it most difficult, and the time frame that you guys provided and the types of questions and how to deal with those questions, I really found that effective, that I was able to secure a good enough band, that is a 7 in academic writing. So I was satisfied with that. So yeah, I was able to overcome my fear.
Great, wonderful. So thank you so much for joining us. It was pleasure to have you at Southwards IELTS. And yes, congratulations once again. And hope you refer your friends to us so that you can help them get the desired
I
bands as
already
well.
referred.
Oh, great. Wonderful. Great. So thank you so much for joining and thank you for giving the time and all the best for your future and keep in touch and keep referring us. And guys, I would request you to kindly comment, subscribe to our channel to go through some more success stories. Thank you so much.